Steve Will from the Bullet Ranch. So yesterday we had a customer come in, was shooting a machine gun for his birthday. Just talked about next time out. I said, hey, why don't you shoot something really fast? I was thinking, hey, Glock converted. Okay, we got a 17C that's converted over to full auto. I thought that was the fastest one. Then all of a sudden, Will.
The Evo 3, man. When this thing is running full auto, it's probably the fastest gun I've ever shot. So.
All right, so now we got to know. So we're both running the same ammo. We're running 115 grain Blazer. We're going to limit it to 20 rounds because of his mag capacity. We're going to run one stick mag each head to head, and then we're going to run one each on the timer. We'll see which one's faster. And we got a whole candy bar bet on this thing, so let's see who wins. Again, one more time, don't try this kind of stuff at home. These are registered machine guns. The sears are auto sears. They are registered. We manufacture them here in-house. All right, countdown coming down. You ready? Yes. All right, 3 and 2 and 1 and... You're a little quicker on the trigger than me. I don't know. Where do you think it ended, though? I think it was a little quicker. I don't know, we'll find out.
It was hard to tell on my end, guys.
I think it was pretty damn close. We're going to reload, and then we're going to put them on the shot timer. That'll give us a real true tell.
All right, I'm shooting a CZ Scorpion Evo 3 today with a full auto trigger pack. 20 rounds of Blazer brass. Let's see how fast it goes.
Hopefully the shot timer picks everything up. All right, shooter ready. You're off safe. Full auto, stand by. Damn, that is fast. It might be faster than mine. 143.
See the shot timer?
143. Let's see if it picked up all the shots. All right, guys, I got the Glock 17C. This is ported on top. All right. Off safe. Okay, we're ready.
On full auto. Ready?
Yep.
Stand by. 153.
You were a little quicker than me. By a tenth of a second almost.
153? Let's see if I can get this to... Yeah? Wow, that's fast, guys. 20 rounds in each gun, right?
20 rounds in each gun.
20 rounds.
Exact same ammunition, same weight, same everything. Blazer brass, 115 grain.
Awesome. All right, thanks, guys.
No problem.
You win the candy bar.
I know.